Have you ever dreamed of owning your very own retreat? A place where adventure meets tranquility, all while being a turnkey investment? My newest listing is not just a getaway. It's an opportunity to own a thriving investment with 5-star reviews and a management team already in place. Welcome to Wilder & Pine Riverside Cabins in Stevenson, Washington. Wilder & Pine isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience you won't forget. Fully renovated with modern touches, this property offers a collection of meticulously designed cabins that blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Each cabin is a testament to thoughtful design and comfort, ensuring guests feel at home while being immersed in the natural beauty of the Gorge. Let's get started with the main lounge. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by an inviting space that perfectly balances rustic charm with modern amenities. The lodge features a welcoming common area ideal for gathering around after a day of exploring. Just outside the lounge is a row of bikes ready for you to take a spin and enjoy the town of Stevenson. The cabins at Wilder & Pine are where the magic truly happens. Each modern cabin is equipped with a fully outfitted kitchenette, cozy linens, and modern rustic decor. Perhaps one of the most enchanting features are the expansive decks overlooking the Columbia River, where guests can enjoy the beauty, often from the comfort of their own private hot tub. It is no wonder why this property has garnered multiple 5-star reviews. Every detail is crafted to provide a luxurious yet down-to-earth experience. If you've dreamed of owning your retreat where adventure meets relaxation, Wilder & Pine might just be the one for you.